we're here with Moshe Shire with Ceva. He's a VP of Marketing. And this is Nuremberg Embedded World. What we're talking about is the hot stuff. Ceva came with something hot for the customers at Embedded World. So Moshe, tell us what's hot from Ceva this year.
So what we're showing here, which is hot, I believe, is a UWB technology, which is used for secure logical access. What we have here, for example, is a standard UWB-enabled smartphone. I want to use it as a key for my laptop, and when I walk away, it identifies and basically locks my screen. If I go further away, the complete PC is locked until I come back. If I get to the office in the morning, it starts to recognize me and basically opens up. A very secured way to open your laptop, similar to the technology we are using today in our key fobs, where we enter the car without pressing any button, just by proximity.
But you did say that this is going to be at a higher level of security than the car fob.
Indeed. This is what the FiRa consortiums call logical access, and it allows you a very secure access to a UWB-enabled device. In this case, there is a Ceva customer chip using the Ceva UWB technology embedded in that chip. And this is how we show how we can do ranging, accurate ranging. You can see the distance here, as well as the logical access when I basically move away and coming back again. And you can see the distance, centimeter level accuracy for the UWB technology.
Does it require a new hardware, or it can be embedded into existing hardware like the PC?
Any phone today, any modern smartphone has UWB inside, so any phone can be used for that. The control device needs to have UWB technology. So a laptop needs to add it, many smartphones has it already. Laptops, tablets, or cars has it. It needs to have UWB technology as well.
All right, so now, what makes it hot? If it's hot, then somebody must be interested in it now. Mm-hmm. Do you have customer interested now or ready to ship?
Yes, we have customers. One has already implemented a chip. It is already going into key fobs, and this technology will go into new devices for secured access using UWB. Very hot these days.
All right, guys. That's it from Ceva and with Moshe Shire. What's hot at Ceva this year, Embedded World 2025? Moshe, it's a pleasure having you.
You too. Pleasure.